araw po, and welcome once again to Dad&ally Cooks. Today, we will be cooking one of the best seafood dish, a simple and easy to cook dish with loads of natural ingredients and cooked in coconut milk. This is ginataang tilapia. Ang tilapia po is one of Filipinos' favorite fish na talaga namang napakasarap kainin at napakadaling lutuin. Tilapia is a freshwater fish, kaya talagang isang malinis na uri ng isda. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. We have our tilapia. Nakaliskisan na po ito at napahiran na po ng salt. Of course, ang ating grated coconut o nyog na ating gagawing gata mamaya. We have pechay, garlic, tomatoes, onions, and of course, our ginger. And siling pula to add spice sa ating ginataang tilapia. Okay, so we'll start by slicing all the ingredients. Umpisahan natin ang garlic or ang bawang. We'll chop the garlic into small pieces. Ayan. And then, isusunod natin ang ating ginger o luya. We'll do 2 sets po. One is chopped ng maliliit and the other set is slices lang po. Okay, ayan. And then, ang ating onions. Ganon din po, slice din po ng regular slices and the other set is chopped into small pieces. Ayan. Okay, and lastly, ang ating tomatoes or kamatis. We will cut it into cubes. Chop in small cubes lang po. Ayan. After we sliced and chopped all the ingredients, kukulin na natin ang ating tilapia. Ayan siya. And hiniwaan natin siya sa may bandang tiyan para lagyan ng mixed ingredients and spices. We'll get a portion of each ingredients: tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and onions. Ayan. We'll put it in one plate and then we'll add salt and pepper para mas lalong lumasa ang ating tilapia. And then, we'll mix it very well. All the ingredients and the spices. Okay. And after that, na-mix na natin sila ng maayos, ilalagay natin sila dun sa ginawa nating pocket sa tiyan ng tilapia. Ilalagay natin lahat ang ating mixed ingredients and spices sa loob ng tilapia. Kailangan masiksik natin siya ng gusto para kumatas talaga sa loob ng tilapia yung ating ingredients. Okay? After natin magawa yan, babalutan na natin siya ng dahon ng pechay. We need about 4 to 5 pieces of pechay leaves. Isa-isa natin siyang ibabalot sa ating tilapia. Pechay leaves will give a unique taste sa ating tilapia and talagang mas pasasarapin niya ito. After finishing all the ingredients, napigaan ko na po yung ating nyog, inagawa ko na siyang gata. Kukunin natin ang ating pan at doon natin sasalain ang ating gata or coconut milk. This is approximately 2 cups of kakang gata or yung unang gata. Sasalain natin siya ng mabuti and then pipigain pa natin ng gusto yung natitirang nyog para maggata sa strainer. Okay, after natin magawa yan, we'll start cooking. So we'll start in medium heat. Dadahan-dahanin natin ang pagluto ng ating gata para medyo mag-oil siya. And then, we will put all the remaining ingredients, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and the ginger. Pagsasama-samahin na natin siya dyan sa ating gata. And then, we'll bring it to boil. Okay, hayaan lang natin siyang kumulo. We'll just mix it occasionally para mag-mix thoroughly yung mga ingredients and mag-blend doon sa gata. Okay, ayan. And then, lalagyan din natin siya ng salt and pepper para mas masarap ang lasa. Hahayaan lang natin siyang kumulo. We'll let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes in medium heat with occasional stirring. Okay, yan. So makikita natin na kumukulo siya. Napakasarap talaga kasi ng gata pag naluto siya ng maayos. Okay. And then, para mas lalong maging mas masarap and malinamnam, we will put 2 siling labuyo chopped. Chili peppers will add spice to our coconut mixture. It will add kick and a little bit of spice to our ginataang tilapia. Haluin lang natin siya paminsan-minsan para mag-blend lahat ng lasa. Napakagandang tingnan ng coconut milk at lahat ng ingredients. And talagang napakalinamnam ng lasa nito mamaya. We'll also add a bit of magic sarap, pandagdag linamnam lang. Okay, everything is in there. What we will do right now is we'll let it boil. Okay, hanggang sa maluto ng mabuti yung gata and magmantika siya ng konti. Medyo nakikita na natin na namumuo na yung gata sa gilid-gilid ng pan. Okay, right now, at this very moment, tatakpan na natin siya. Cover it and we'll simmer for about 8 minutes. And after that, ilalagay na natin ang ating tilapia. After boiling for 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, nalagay na natin ang ating tilapia. Nandiyan na siya sa loob. So, pakukuluan lang natin siya. Ayan. What we will do regularly is we will pour the sauce on top of the pechay and tilapia. Yan, ganyan lang. Sasabaw natin siya sa ibabaw ng tilapia. This is our own version of cooking this one. Dahil for me, parang mas masarap yung ganitong style. Again, that is our own version. Okay, gagawin lang natin siya from time to time. All the ingredients and the gata mix will be poured on top of the tilapia. Okay, yan. Ganyan lang. Okay. And then, we'll cover it again. And this time, we'll do the slow cook to perfection process. So we will lower down the heat and we will cook this one or we will simmer this one for about 10 to 15 minutes in slow heat. Nang sa ganon, mas lalong maluto ang gata and mas lalong ma-absorb ng tilapia yung ating mixture ng lahat ng ingredients sa gata. Let simmer and do the same process again and again. Nang sa ganon, sumasarap lalo yung ating sauce. And mas lalo pang sasarap yung ating tilapia. Make the tilapia more delicious. After 15 minutes of slow cook to perfection process, eto na siya. We're almost done. And we'll let it rest for about a minute pagpatay ng ating apoy. Okay, so we're done. Ita-transfer na natin siya sa ating serving plate para maihain na natin sa ating hapagkainan. Okay, we will transfer it now sa ating plate. Ang napakaganda at napaka-inviting na ginataang tilapia. So here it is guys, our very delicious and very inviting in looks ginataang tilapia. One of the best Filipino seafood dish made from natural ingredients and spices, covered in pechay leaves and cooked mainly in coconut milk. Try this at home guys, and your family or your loved ones will enjoy this one. Please like this video guys. If you have any comments or suggestions or reactions, kindly comment down below. We will highly appreciate it sa ikagaganda ng aming lutuin. And please don't forget to subscribe to Dad&ally Cooks by clicking the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming yummy and upcoming videos. Again guys, this is Dad&ally Cooks, and here is your ginataang tilapia. Take it away guys. Thank you very much.